folks, how you doing today? Welcome to Bob's Bottom Shelf, where you save money making cocktails at home using affordable ingredients. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy bourbon cocktail, Francis the Mule. So Francis the Mule, it was a series of movies that came out between 1950 and 1956. And it's about this dim-witted army lieutenant who gets classified as crazy because he insists that a talking mule helped him on his adventures. And that talking mule was named Francis, of course, and for some reason, now we have a cocktail about it today. I would describe it as a twist or variation on the Amaretto Sour, but instead of Amaretto giving it the almond flavor, you're gonna use Orgeat Syrup, which is also made from almonds, to give it that almond flavor. If you don't know how to make Orgeat Syrup, I'll link a video up in the corner where I quickly went over how I made this one. Another ingredient today is our coffee liqueur. This is a homemade version I use by simply combining some brewed coffee, simple syrup, and some vodka. And my Bob's Bottom Shelf bourbon brand of choice is Benchmark 8. So let's go ahead and get started with our cocktail here, the Francis the Mule. We're going to start out by adding 2 ounces of bourbon. 1, 2. Next, half an ounce of coffee liqueur. Half an ounce of lemon juice. And a 1/4 ounce of Orgeat syrup. Let's pour out our Francis the Mule. Alright folks, cheers! Francis the Mule. It's pretty good. I'd describe it as a less intense Amaretto Whiskey Sour. Less intense because we're not using 100 proof bourbon, this is just normal. And we're not using the Amaretto, we're just using some Orgeat syrup. And it doesn't have as much lemon juice, so it's not as sour. So overall, it's just less intense, a more mild version of a Amaretto Whiskey Sour. I think maybe it could be a little bit sweeter, so you could just go ahead and add a little bit more Orgeat syrup into it, and that would make it sweeter. Alright folks, well that's going to just about do it for today's episode of Bob's Bottom Shelf. Let me know in the comments what your favorite brand of bourbon is, and if you've ever tried a Amaretto Whiskey Sour, or if you've ever even heard of the Francis the Mule cocktail. And subscribe for more episodes of Bob's Bottom Shelf, where you save money making cocktails at home using affordable ingredients. See you in the next episode.